Hey guys, John with Vapor Honing Technologies. I wanted to quickly shoot a video letting you guys know, as customers or potential customers of automation or wet blasting in general, we will be exhibiting at Eastec May 14th, 15th, and 16th. And in the description below, you can grab the booth number. We will be in the booth with blast and wash systems. And so we're going to be highlighting some of the automation of wet blast with Vapor Honing Technologies, collaborating and partnering with Force Automation in the heavy industrial automated side. Also, after Eastec, if you cannot make Eastec, again, May 14th, 15th, and 16th, that is a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you cannot make Eastec, we will be doing some in-house demos of wet blasting, automated style, very industrial, and also collaborative automation up at Connecticut at Force Automation with Luke and his team. Also, we're going to be doing it here within Vapor Honing Technologies in Lincoln, North Carolina. So we're going to have 2 demo location spots for wet blasting automation. Also, that will be after Eastec. So if you cannot make the show, please get with us and get on the schedule to show up to one of our 2 demo times. So if you are up north on the East Coast, or if you are down south on the East Coast, we can accommodate you at both locations so that you can see both systems in action and see what works for you best. Again, Eastec May 14th, 15th, 16th. If you cannot meet us there, we will be up at Force Automation and also here at the company doing demos showing industrial and collaborative style automation in a wet blast cabinet. Thanks for watching, guys. Contact us if you need more details about when, where, and how you can get in touch with us to see some of this automated wet blasting work. And as always, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification for daily and weekly updates and new content that we release. Also, follow us on Instagram and like the Facebook page. Again, thanks for watching.